Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a custom button that is more optimized as compared to default button component provided in React Native CLI. Let's understand what I am going to say. For example, we have a button in React Native. Here we have a title and I say here default button, and if I click here you will see that this button is like this. We have some property like I say color of this button. If I want to change, I can make it red like this, and I have a event also on press like this, and I can display some information whenever I click on this button. But in this button I can't use this style tag. You see, the style attribute I cannot use because it does not support. That's why I can't increase the width of this particular button. Not possible to increase. It will come only that. The height, the width, I can't increase this. So I can create my own button just like this button that will more optimized than this. How I can do this? For this I have this my button. So I create this first of all, and here also I use a view component. Inside this view I have touchable opacity, this one. Here I take text, and in this text I have the name, I say advance button like this, and I save this and I use this here, and one by one I will make it more optimized. I say advance button, this is the component, and that component I have to import. So I say import my button like this. So I save this, and you see advanced button does not exist. Okay, this is my button, so I can give here name to advanced button like this. Save this. So it's saying that text property is not available, so I can provide this also here. One by one we try to remove the error. You see we have this advanced button type of thing, but is not looking like a pure button. It will look. So first of all I need to provide the title from here. So I can give the same name my button, for example, and here also I say my button. As a title I provide here advanced button like this, the title I am providing. So I want this title should be display here. So I say we have a props, and here I display this props dot name or title like this. Save this. Same effect we will have. So I need to save this also. You see, same. Now what I do, I need to create a property here, and that property I will create here. I say const, I say styles equal to style sheet dot create, and inside this I create object, and I say the button property. I say background color of this should be props dot color. So that color I want to provide here, and this I say a style equal to styles dot button, and I need to save this, and I need to provide color from here like I am providing color here, and I say red color. Save this. You see we have red color, but we have to design something more. What I design, I say in this style that we have a margin from the bottom or we can say from the top is of 2 pixel. Save this. We have a size like this. Then I say I need padding of this should be 10 pixel. You see, looking like a button. I say the border radius that I want to display, I say that is 5. You see, radius is also coming, and this radius I can make dynamic. So I can provide this radius from here also if I want, but right now I am not providing. I will change it. Now the color of this text, I say the color is white right now, but I can also change the text color. You see, and I increase the font size also. I say 20, and font weight also I say that is bold. You see, looking better. So this is done. Now I can say the text alignment should be center, and text alignment vertical should be center. Why I am doing this? I show you that if I increase the width and height of this button, how can I increase? You see, this button does not support width and height, but it support. So I say width of this is, here suppose I provide 200 pixel, and height I provide here of 100 pixel for example. So that I want to assign here. So I say that width of this is, I say if this props is greater than props dot width is greater than 0, then I need to provide dot width. Otherwise I will give the default width, that would be 100. Then I say height if props dot height is greater than 0, that means I say some props is given, I say height, otherwise I will provide 60 as a height. Save this, and you see that whenever I increase the size, so suppose I give the size from here, I say it is 150. Save this, you see size is also changing. I can say it is 200, but this width is only 80. You see it changing. If I remove this, save this, so it will take by default. So by default I just adjust as per this. So I say it should be 80 like this, and it should be 150 at least. You see, like this. So we can adjust as per the size of the title also. We have a title size, I can also find out the size of this, and that size I can also pass here. That is a different concept. I can make it more optimized, but here I am trying to show you that this my custom button is behaving better than this. And here I can pass on press event also. On press, suppose I say here handle press event like this. I want to handle this, so I create this function. I say const handle press like this. I say alert dot alert, and I display that information, and I say this is custom button event. Okay, save this, and this on press event I want to fire here also. So what I do here, I say on opacity, I say on press equal to props dot on press, like this. I save this. Now you see it will work like a normal button. You see, click on this like this. So in place of default button, now you can use my custom button, just similar to this, but having a more advanced feature with height, background color, text color, everything you can change. You can make more customize also as per your knowledge, as per your requirement. So this button will behave better than the default button. So here in this video I try to make you understand that you can create your own custom button also, and this custom button will behave better than the default one in React Native CLI. It was just a try to show you that you can make more customized component for you. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.